Hello mga kaguro, this is Sir Jory, your partner in guide and troubleshooting and working out with your documents. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Microsoft Office 2016 to this new laptop. First of all, you have to download the Microsoft Office program and using your search engine, just type get into PC. And the first one that will show up in our screen will be the one to uh, open, and then here in the search bar of this website just type MS Office and then click go, and it will show us different results. So let's search for Microsoft Office 2016, and this one you have to click that one and scroll all the way down, and here there's a download button where you can choose what kind of operating system that you have, if it's 32-bit or 64-bit. Here in this laptop, I downloaded 64-bit because this is 64-bit operating system. And I already downloaded this one, and I will be showing you right now the file here in my file manager where I saved this document. And I'm going to open my file manager right now. Alright, I already downloaded that one. Just open your file manager where you have downloaded. For example, if you already finished downloading the program, just extract the file. And if you go to check here on the website, the password will be 123. So it's very easy for you to extract that file. So don't worry about extracting it. And here I already extracted the file, so I'm going to open this one. And you have to search for this setup button and then click and run as administrator and install the program. And this time I will be waiting for the final installation. So keep on watching lang mga kaguro. It's very simple and easy. All you have to do is to download a Microsoft Office program in this website, get into PC. I highly recommend you this kind of program because um, the application works really smooth and well, and you don't need product key coming from Microsoft Office for you to start with the Microsoft Office program, because we can activate the program using our KMS activation based on the previous video that we have uploaded. You can find right there how to activate Microsoft Office program using our KMS activation. Alright mga kaguro, we have already done installing our Microsoft Office program. Now let's proceed in activating this Microsoft Office program, okay? Keep on watching. If you can check right now mga kaguro, it doesn't show any program on our desktop. What we're going to do here is to type in our search bar here at the bottom. Let's try only Microsoft Word. Alright, just click open file location. Alright, we have opened already our activator, and then using your arrow down key, highlight all the way down to Office KMS activation and then hit enter. All right, we have then already activating the Microsoft Office program. It shows right here, activation successful. So let's close this activator and refresh our screen and open our Microsoft Office Word and let's check if it's activated. Go to account. All right, it shows right here, product activated. So all of the Microsoft Office program we have right here are all activated. If we can check right here in Microsoft Excel, in the file menu and account, it's activated. So we have successfully installed Microsoft Office program to our new laptop. So mga kaguro, it's very simple. All you have to do is to connect your laptop or PC to the internet, download the program and get into pc.com, and then extract that one with the password 123. You can choose right here if what kind of operating system that you have, if it's 32-bit or 64-bit. And after extracting that one, go to your Microsoft Office program and then find for setup. As a quick recap, so this is what we're going to do. And right here in this option or in this icon, if you can see right here, there's a word setup. Just run as administrator lang po, and then you can go ahead and install the Microsoft Office program. All right, thank you so much for watching. This is Sir Jory again. Have a great day.